Welcome to another one of my video. In today's video I'm going to be making a jackfruit banana smoothie, and I'm also going to be cooking the jackfruit seed as I promised, to show you guys how you can cook the jackfruit seed and consume the seed. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, here are my ingredients. I have some ice. I had it sitting for a while, so it's kind of melting, but it's okay. And as long as it's cold. And then my banana. I'm going to be using 2 bananas, the jackfruit, and some milk. So I'm going to be placing the ice first. Then I'm gonna put half of the jackfruit, and then a banana, and then jackfruit, and then banana. If you like, guys, you could also add vanilla and nutmeg, but I don't think I'm gonna be adding vanilla or nutmeg to this, or even a pinch of salt if you like. I'm just gonna make it straight banana with the jackfruit. Okay, so we have the jackfruit, banana, jackfruit, and banana. And guys, they say this piece here that we peel off, that piece is good for you. You shouldn't peel it off the banana. It's good for you guys. I used to do that, but I found out, I'm learning that it's good for you. And then the milk, I don't want to make my smoothie too watery, so. And guys, as I'm saying, it's the first I'm using this brand, the Earth's Own So Fresh Oat Milk. Okay, so I'm gonna be pouring maybe, I'm just using my judgment, guys. This is like a 1/4 cup, you'd say. Yeah, because the ice is already there, you know, and then I don't want it, if it's too thick, then, or let's say for example, if it's you making your smoothie, if it's too thick, then, well, naturally, right, you're gonna be adding more milk. Okay, so sorry guys, I gotta get something that goes with the blender that I hardly use. Okay guys, this is what I need to go with my VITAMIX. Sometimes I don't use, so let's go again. Let's do this again. Oh, I'm gonna be pouring some milk, some of the milk too. Actually, all of that. That's about 1/3 to a 1/4 cup of milk. You know, it's summer and we're hot, so it's appropriate around this time of the year to be making smoothies, something cool to drink. I like this consistency, it's not too thick. This is all natural sugar. Jackfruit, banana with a little of the Earth's Own milk, and all natural sugar. Nothing added, guys. So guys, I'm gonna be tasting now this all natural sugar, no sugar added, guys, jackfruit banana smoothie. Guys, come on, comment down below. I did hit the record button, guys. Comment down below. Oh my god, guys, look at this pimple. This is what happened when I eat too much oily stuff. Comment down below. I did hit the record button to share another video with you guys. So guys, please comment down below, share the video with your friends, and I'd also like for you to try this. I'm gonna leave the recipe down below the description section. I'm gonna leave the recipe for this smoothie, and it's really good. It's all natural sugar. It's really good, guys. Okay, so now I'm gonna be quickly cooking the jackfruit seed for you to see. Here are my jackfruit seed. So guys, I'm gonna be turning on the stove in the meantime so the water can get hot. So here's a jackfruit seed. That's a piece of the jackfruit that's left, guys. And yeah, this is what vegans take as meat, right? So your jackfruit seed should be looking like this. So these pieces now I have to cut off. We're gonna cut it off and then put it in the pot to cook. So I have the water on the stove turned on and I'm gonna be cooking it for half an hour. Or if it feels soft enough, like you can prick a fork through it, because right now, guys, see, I can't go through it with the knife. It's tough. So we're gonna cook for half an hour, and then if it gets like I'm able to put a fork through it or the knife before half an hour, then we can turn it off. But it needs to be soft, like when you're cooking potato and you're able to prick it, or other food stuff, produce. And the jackfruit smoothie is really good, guys. It is really good. Yeah, so I just have one more seed left to work with. Actually, one more here. And that's the jackfruit, as I said. I'm gonna be eating it when I'm done. Yeah, there it is, guys. So then now for the pot. I'm just gonna put it in the water. So I have what, 3, 6, 9, 12 seeds. And normally I wouldn't do this, but like today I just feel like putting this fruity part in the water, you know. Maybe it will give the water some flavor. That's just my idea, to put those fruity part. This part I'm gonna eat, or else I would have put it in a pot. I don't cook with a lot of salt, guys, so just, you know, so it could bring out the flavor in the water. So guys, there it is. The water is boiling and the jackfruit is cooking. Okay, so we're just gonna, so I put enough water to cover the seed. Okay, and then because I don't want the water to dry out too fast, as long as it's boiling, I'm gonna be turning down the burner some more. Yeah, so when you're cooking the jackfruit, you put water to cover the seed, like 1 inch above the jackfruit seed. That amount of water, you put the water 1 inch above the seed. Yeah, so that's basically it. I turn the burner down and then I'm just gonna let it cook, guys. When it's cooked, I'll do a taste test for you. So guys, it's now 11:30 and let me test it. See guys, it's still not, it's pricking, but it's not soft enough for me, so I'm gonna be cooking it some more. Half an hour and it still doesn't feel soft. Not because it's half an hour you're gonna stop cooking it. You cook it until it's soft, okay guys? And then also, like the water, if you find it drying out and it's no longer covering the jackfruit, you can add more water. So we're gonna check back in about 10 more minutes to see how this is going, because it's not cooked enough for me. Okay guys, so now it's 40 minutes cooking. Let me test and see the water is drying down. See guys, so I'm gonna be like tasting this, okay, for you to see. So guys, the jackfruit seed is cooked. Let me turn the burner off, and as I said, when you go along you need to add water. if the water is drying out. So guys, with these jackfruit seeds, when they're cool, there's another layer you need to peel off, the same way you peel off the fruit from the seed to cook it. Another layer you need to peel off in order to eat it. So guys, to peel your jackfruit, when you cook the seed, then you're going to like just peel this piece here. See that piece? It's kind of like when you're cooking chestnut. You peel that piece to eat it. See that piece? Or even this too. Yeah, you peel it and... or it's just gonna taste, these pieces are gonna taste trashy in your mouth, okay? Or else these pieces will taste trashy in your mouth, guys. See? Guys, this pimple, I really don't like this pimple in my face. I really don't like this pimple in my face, guys. But that's what happened. I know what gives me pimple. Too much sugar and too much dairy and too much oil. So I know what I mean when I say too much dairy isn't good for you, or oil. Or on the other hand, I like to use healthy oil, guys. Healthy oils. If I use the cheap oil, then I find I get a pimple. But anyways, guys, yeah, you would peel it, and then there it is, and then you bite it. It gets soft like potato. Okay. So then I gave it like 30 minutes to cook, but 40 minutes. In the recipe down below, I'm gonna put 40 minutes. Yeah, well, if it's not cooked, obviously you're gonna be cooking it some more. So I would say anywhere from 30 minutes to 50 minutes is good. It definitely jackfruit, but this was done in 40 minutes. Yeah. And then also, guys, I read and learned that jackfruit can be yeah, the seed can be used to make hummus, okay? So yeah, and it's nice. It tastes like potato. Some people sprinkle salt on it. Some people like a lot of things they put salt, but I try to stay away from salt. I know salt enhances flavor, but you know, if you can eat it without adding extra to your meal, it's good. But yeah, maybe if some people would enjoy it. It's kind of like peanut. Yeah, like peanut, people would put salt on it, but for me, I like peanuts with no salt. And yeah, there it is. It's really nice. I'm enjoying it. It's chewable, and you can dip anything, mayonnaise, whatever you want to put on it, salt, sprinkle, and go. So guys, if it so happen that you buy the jackfruit, give it a try. Also the seeds, don't throw the seeds away. So guys, there we have our cooked jackfruit seed, peeled and unpeeled. You see, after you cook it, you have to peel. The one on the right there is or maybe it would be your left. We have peeled and unpeeled jackfruit seed cooked, and the remainder of my jackfruit banana smoothie. You guys, very thick and it's delicious. And guys, please give this video a thumbs up. I did hit the record button, guys, to share another video with you, so please give the video a thumbs up. I would appreciate it, and comment down below, and see you in the next video.